gracious.
I did 2 arms. I did my 1 arm in practice. I think I got nervous.
Let's stay low so they don't see us. This right here is a documentary of the Urge. They're feasting. This is an R campfire. We're catching it live. We can't get too close. These ancient R's are known to be very dangerous. They are dangerous, I tell you. Look at the torch. Look at the Taiki torch. They are on. They are very hungry. They are very hungry. Oh, uh-oh. They're gonna go to us. I better run. Okay, looks like there's a distraction. Let's see if we can catch a distraction. Oh my god! Oh my god! I don't know if I'm safe!